welcome to Drinks with Stephanie, and we're talking about, let's just say, Demi Lovato's new lyric video and release, and it's telling about how she is sober, basically. So this is a Drinks with Stephanie. We're drinking coffee. Okay, so Demi Lovato's new lyric video, Sober, is getting a lot of buzz, trend on this one. It's very a powerful video. I have seen it so many. She actually released an Instagram video on her Sober, whatever it's called. She released an Instagram video, My Truth Sober, out now. And it's basically how the song is really about. I feel the song is more powerful. Oh, that is really loud. I don't want to copyright. I feel the song is very powerful, especially at the beginning where she used to go out and party the night away and drink the night away, and honestly, apparently it's number 2 trending. Honestly, and how she's sorry to most of her fans who left her. Honestly, I honestly agree with most of her fans that not like her anymore. Some of her fans still stick around. I really don't care what she did or what. It's more as a saying that she's sorry and what she's done in the past 6 years of her life, and it's basically that's what the song is mainly about. I will have a lyric video of her song Sober, and if Demi Lovato, if you're out there and you need a music video, contact me today. Alright? I am happy to work with you. So I'm just saying, I'm not a big fan of Demi Lovato. I liked some of her songs like Camp Rock and her older songs out there, but some of her new stuff I've never been a fan of. I'm right now into the band called The Script. The Script is very more as pop, and it's not dark, and it's nothing like Demi Lovato. I'm just saying. Okay, I'm just thinking that Demi Lovato, I think the song Sober is basically about her apology to her fans, to her parents, of what she have done. It's basically, some of the footage came from the Simply Complicated documentary. I have noticed that because when I look at her previous work and I've seen the documentary, it's, if you have not seen the documentary, go watch it. Go watch it. Make sure you put headphones on because she says a couple F-bombs on there. I'm just saying, I've seen a couple F-bombs. I think they beep them out, but I'm just letting you guys know. I will have a link in the description with those two. Let me know of what you guys think, and are you a fan of Demi Lovato? If so, write in the comment below. Are you still a fan of Demi? Are you or are you not? Let me know in the comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more information. Hit that subscribe button. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe, and drinks with stuff.